Hi guys, welcome to our coding tutorial channel. Today we will discuss Java, a robust and extremely practical programming language. Therefore, in this session we will discuss the background definition and features of Java. So let's begin.
How will you respond to this query? What is Java? It can be answered in 2 points. The first point is that Java is high-level programming language. If you don't know about high-level programming language, watch our previous video. The second point is that Java is platform because JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine, has its environment. That is why Java is also platform. JVM offers a platform that accepts and executes bytecode on the machine. James Gosling created Java in 1995 at Sun Microsystems, which Oracle later acquired in 2010. In the beginning, it was called Oak after the oak tree outside the office of Gosling. Later, it was called Java Coffee after the coffee from Indonesia. And finally, in 1995, it was given the final name Java. API, also called library, a set of software components called an API can be used to build other software components, or it contains predefined Java code that we can utilize to create Java programs. The Java programming language has three main editions of Java. The first edition of Java is standard edition of the Java, which is Java SE. The Java SE or Java Standard Edition is a computer platform that allows us to run programs. It can be used for the creation and distribution of portable code for server and desktop context. It uses Java as its primary programming language. It belongs to the Java family of software platforms. The Java class library and several general purpose APIs are both included in Java SE. It is suitable for beginners. A common Java specification is called SE. It is mostly deployed to provide APIs for desktop applications like games and antivirus software. We will use this edition of Java in this course because it is the foundation of all other editions of Java. If you learn this, you can easily move to the other editions of Java. The second edition of Java is Java Enterprise Edition or Java EE. Large scale application running is made possible through Java EE APIs. The foundation of Java Enterprise Edition is Java Standard Edition. It is primarily employed for the creation of online applications. It is appropriate for experienced Java developers who want to create business-wide applications. The third one is Java Micro Edition or Java ME. The foundation of Java Micro Edition is Java Standard Edition. Provides features including networking, connecting with mobile devices, native operating systems, and is mostly used for designing mobile applications. There are a lot of programming languages available right now, but where to learn Java? What are features to learn Java? The first feature of Java is object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is an approach or style of programming to solve real-world problems by creating classes and objects. The second feature of Java is platform independent. Platform independent means that any operating system can run the Java compile code or bytecode. The Java code or source code, which is in the file of .java, is compiled into the bytecode through Java C compiler. And because of JVM, this bytecode can run on any platform, even though it is Mac, Linux, Windows, and that makes it portable, which is our third feature of Java. The fourth feature of Java is secure. The following are some reasons why Java is so secure. JVM or Java Virtual Machine. JVM is essential for supply and security. It checks the bytes code. The JVM offers assurance that no dangerous operation will be carried out. JVM makes sure that unsafe activities like these are prevented from taking place. For instance, when a program might branch to the wrong locations that could include data instead of instructions. Additionally, it helps to reduce the risk that programmers would have memory safety issues. The second reason is that Java does not support the concept of pointers. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of an object, and pointers provide access to a memory location because data and executable code are both stored in memory. Improper use of pointers can result in both strange side effects and subtle problems. And where Java does not support pointers, which is one of the main reasons of security. Third reason is safety APIs. Multiple APIs that lead to security is provided by Java class libraries. Security Manager. JVM presents the security management layer. It ensures that the platform's features and APIs cannot be accessed by Untrusted code. Exception handling. Java's exception handling mechanism increases security. During runtime, the feature alerts the programmer to the error. Until the programmer fixes the problem, the code would not run. Automatic memory management. Java uses garbage collection, which is automatic memory management. Memory is managed by the JVM itself. Memory management is not a concern for programmers. Consequently, there is no possibility of a memory management error. Back to the features of Java. Java is very simple to learn and its syntax is clear, concise, and simple to learn as compared to C and C++. Java is robust. Robust means powerful in English. Java is robust because of these reasons. Strong memory management is employed. The absence of pointers prevents security issues. Automatic garbage collection which operates on the Java virtual machine. In Java, there is an exception handling system and a type checking system. These factors make Java robust. Multi-threading. In multi-threading, a large process is broken up into smaller tasks that are done simultaneously, and because of it, the speed of the software increases. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please comment, share and like the video.